Now, another type of query or selection we can do is proximity analysis. So this is select by location instead of select by attribute. So we can analyze spatial relationships between features, whether they're neighbors, whether they intersect, how far they are. So some examples are select by location or buffers. So select by location is selecting a feature based on some spatial criteria. Say it intersects, or it's within a certain distance, or it contains something. So I'm just going to walk through a couple different spatial selection methods. You can select from a point layer, where a source layer is the polygon layer, and the selection method is within. So you would select all the points that are within the polygon. Alternatively, you can select from the polygon with the source layer being the point layer and the selection being contains instead. So you could select all the polygons that contain a point, and this would be the end result. Similarly, you can do something similar with line features. So you can say select all the lines that intersect the polygons, and you'd end up with this. So there's lots of different options. You can do completely within, intersects, contains, borders, touches, lots of different options. So I'll just walk through a couple examples. So we can select by location. Let's say we'll select the properties where they intersect the city boundary. Right? So click apply. And we'll get all the properties that touch the municipal boundary at all. You can up that and you can search for within a distance. Say you want all properties that are within 100 meters. And you end up with a much larger number. You can change that and you can do the point layer instead. So all the properties that are within 100 meters of a tsunami warning siren. Instead of intersect, you could do contains. So this is all the properties that contain a tsunami warning siren. Make sure to set the search distance to 0. You end up with a smaller number. In fact, 0, because no properties contain a tsunami warning siren. They are all on different bits of land that don't contain properties. But if you up the search distance a little bit, again, doesn't matter because the contains isn't the same as the intersect. So